If you dive into the world of home automation for long enough, you are bound to encounter IFTTT. If this, then that is a platform that helps you sew together different things like apps, smart devices, products, and services in ways that are only limited to your imagination. Today on Ask Safewise, we want to know, what is IFTTT and how do you use it? But real quick, if you have a question for us, then let us know in the comments below with the hashtag AskSafeWise. We can feature your question on a future episode. Let's dive in. As they put it themselves, WTF is IFTTT? Well, it's a platform that allows you to create custom automations based on one simple formula. If this happens, then that happens. Using that simple combination of triggers and reactions, you can do all kinds of stuff, from the practical, like adjusting your smart thermostat with the weather, to the impractical, like programming a theme song when someone opens a door. It all depends on the devices you have, how much time you have to program them, and how creative you want to get. IFTTT's applets use the same formula. All you have to do is choose a trigger, the if this, and a reaction, the then that. Here, I'll show you an example. It's not exactly practical, but it's easy enough to use. I want to update a spreadsheet every time my camera detects motion, so that way I have a log of activity in my home. Here's what that looked like. First, I logged into my Wise account through IFTTT. Then I chose Detect Motion. Here you can see that Wise has quite a few options already laid out for you. Then I logged into my Google account and chose Google Sheets. Then IFTTT did all the work. Here you can see my spreadsheet. You can get really specific with your automations, but you'll have to pay for a subscription if you want to do more than just 3 basic applets. Honestly, the question's more like, what doesn't work with IFTTT? Most of the security and smart home brands that we cover here on Safewise work with the platform even if they don't work with each other. And it's not just smart home or home security stuff either. You can patch together applets with a range of things like your email, the weather, your social media accounts, and we even saw a few for things like the City of Tampa and the USDA. All of this is just a taste of what IFTTT can do. If you like this video, hit the like button below and let us know you enjoyed it so we can do more videos on IFTTT and home automations. And if you have a question for us at Safewise, drop it in the comments below and tag it with the hashtag AskSafewise. Your question could show up on a future video. Thanks for watching and stay safe.